Hello everyone, today we're going to make the Ninja Star popsicle stick grenade. So, this one is a little bit more difficult. So, first thing we do is make a V shape, this one on top, and then you go over and under, and then hold it down at these two intersections. And now, you go over, under, and then leave it there for now. And then go over, under, and then over, and then really reach and go under. Now the only thing you have left to do is to connect these, and there you go. Now this one is a little bit more difficult to make, so a little bit of practice will go a long way. And then let's see it in action. Thanks for watching, and try this one out. This one is tough to master, but with a little practice, you'll get it. So leave this video a like to save it for later, and subscribe to see even more stick contraptions. I will see you next time.